Hey everybody, welcome to a new unboxing. Maybe we can unbox this as it is huge.
It's the most boxing we've ever boxed.
So we have the new Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Megazord, as Gregory has pointed out. It's mega, not just a regular Zord.
Ultra mega, super mega.
That's
By-
actually a different Zord.
by
Oh.
Cammy. And I guess it somewhat makes sense why it's so late, because they got to throw the 30th anniversary label on it.
Oh, fancy.
So look at that. 30 years of all this meganess. So you are old, Gregory.
Yeah.
So once again, I think there's 400 of these made. I think this is number 14. 14.
It's number 14.
So it's not able to drive yet, which is really confusing, but sure.
Next year it'll get its learners and it'll be fine.
We'll go from that. So anyway, let's get this out of a box. And I hope the camera doesn't like die.
Did you go the wrong way?
Always. Well, I'm going to first try to.
Oh, okay.
I don't know there is a good way at this point. Ooh, look. It's got a nice black envelope, which I'm just showing you. I'm not opening it because I'm not buying it.
Have we been invited to something?
We may be, but I'm not touching it because it's got. See, I can't even open this thing. I blame the universe. So, first off, we'll start with a Cammy card. See, Cammy card. And look, it's got a wax seal on it. Look at that. I have no idea what that is. Is it a fake wax seal? Let's look. Oh, it's a fake wax seal. So let's see what we have here. Maybe, once again. Oh, it's the certificate of authenticity. Look at that. 14 of 400. It's an edition limited.
Watch your language. Young
Sorry.
man.
I just insulted a whole bunch of people and I apologize. So anyway, that's the first thing to fall out of this box. So we will throw this back here. And thank God they gave us instructions not to put it together because it's to take it apart.
That's fair.
So we got that. So now we're going to turn around here, maybe. And look, it is strapped.
Suspenders?
It is strapped in. Gregory, let's see if we can pull this out. It's been a long day, people. Wow.
We are all 7.
All right, you got just hold it there. The box moved actually. So let's lift it up here. We got a chair in the way. Sorry, people, we've never done this before and we don't know how to act. Here's what the back looks like since I didn't show you the back earlier. 30th anniversary Power Ranger Megazord. We are going to put this right here. I think that's kind of still on the camera. Let's check. Yeah, it's close enough.
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
All right, so now let's slide you back and figure out how to.
I think you need to go underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tabs. Yeah.
I've never seen
I mean, it's
a setup
impressive.
like this, so it's
Like-
it's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And as you can tell, we have not opened this up beforehand, so we don't know what's going on. Literally, we have no idea what's going on.
I mean, to be fair, we rarely know what's going on.
All right. Oh my God, now it's got tape.
Oh my God.
So let me get my knife. I bet this thing is.
That's not a knife.
Hang on, I want to make sure. Wait. All right. See, this is why we have to wait. Because there's a top. Right, exactly. All right, now we can go. See, there's a top. Once again, I did it where it said this end up, and guess what? It was wrong. Man, I'll never be able to put this thing back together.
That's a lot of foam.
It is a lot of foam. So you can see how.
That is a aggressive Pac-Man.
Wow. So just so you know, the best benefit of recording these things is, once again, we can put it back together in
We
here.
need to watch this in reverse.
So we're going to have to watch this in reverse. So yeah, here is everything. So we will start kind of slowly taking these things out. And this is just kind of thrown in here. Let me see here. I'm going to keep pulling stuff out. And it is nicely wedged in here. So, man. I don't know, Gregory. Okay.
Is that the base?
Yes. Will you come
Okay.
hold this down, Gregory? Gregory's.
Oh, I got the little helmet.
Oh my God.
Wow.
So there is,
That is impressive.
there's the base. Still Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Oh, and we got all the little heads.
Wow.
So for now, we're going to set the base down here. Wait, let's see the bottom.
Oh,
Wow.
That's really
And look,
cool.
there's the 14 again.
Hey, look,
That is
14.
That's unexpected for
Yep.
the bottom to have that much detail.
That's pretty cool. All right, so we're going to set this down and hope that I don't break it, because I don't really want to break it. You can't really see the base now, but it's fine. Here,
It's
let's
a
go.
hefty boy. It's fine.
Let's slide you back here.
Like, do you need to show the base right now?
Not right now, but if I can at least, keep it somewhat in the picture.
That's fair. Okay.
All right. So
Level 2.
just so I don't lose my place, I'm going to throw this stuff back in here. All right. And now I just don't know where to go. So
But is that all going to need to come out again when you get to the next level?
I don't know. No, there's nothing. So everything is, so these are all glued together.
Oh.
So
I
it's
thought they
all
were
glued.
separated.
No,
It
it's
looks like
all,
it would be.
it's not, but it's
Oh.
all glued together because of the base.
Interesting. Okay.
So now we're going to slowly pull out pieces that I have no idea what they will be.
This is going to be the longest unboxing.
It's going to be this is going to be a very long unboxing. Yes. Because you've got all these pieces. Like, how am I going to know if someone buys this that this goes there? I'll go watch this video. How else are we going to know? So there's legs, or the pieces for the legs. Speaking of legs,
Wow. That's hefty.
it is very hefty. So there's a leg.
Oh, Billy.
It's got tracks. We're just going to all set these around here for now. It's definitely packed. I will give
I
it
want a
that.
Voltron that's this size.
Don't even give me hope. So it's another one. Guess this is Trini's leg.
Like that, and that's what triggered it.
Right.
Like yellow lion leg makes me want a Voltron this size.
And then we've got,
It's a saber-tooth tiger.
Not in Voltron land.
we're mixing up genres.
Yeah.
It's not a genre. So anyway. Sorry. More pieces. Once we get everything out, then we'll push everything back and put stuff together. But it's a lot. Man, it's a lot. Ooh, it's an arm. Smack. What could go wrong? Here's another arm. There's another arm. Right arm. Right arm, left arm. That's why the instructions still look like this. Let's see here. Oh, now we're getting little pieces. What? I'm assuming it's part of the sword.
Okay. Or a really aggressive bullet.
Fair. Hang on, is that just packing? Okay, that's just packing. I have to check behind everything to make sure it's not
like,
all.
Yeah.
All right. Uh-oh. We have a head. We have found a head.
And I'll form. All right, sorry. Back to Voltron again.
Back to Voltron again. So there's the head. Here, I'll try to get really
It's
close.
like a samurai warrior.
So there's the head. My God. Oh, there's all kind of things in here. It's lighted.
What?
I didn't know that.
Huh.
Guess you should have read what was going on. Yeah, I should have. But I ordered this thing, what, like
It was
4
like
years
two-
ago?
Yeah, it was many years ago that
So-
this was ordered.
Some kind of horn?
It was funny because when we got the email, it was like, "Oh, this thing's shipping." We were like, "Oh, right, that thing we ordered multiple
years ago. Yeah. Reach down in here. Okay, we're done there. Oh, this is the other little horn.
Little bighorn.
Yeah, little big horn. There. 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 What I'm really looking forward to is someone coming buying this while Gregory's here by himself.
I've broken down all the other ones by myself.
Ah!
Oh no!
Luckily, this was the rubber pieces. So if I'm going to drop something, at least it was the rubber pieces. All right. And then.
And then. What?
Hey, it's a body.
Wow.
And then we have
Okay.
Optimus Prime. The body. Get that there. At least I'm putting everything in the right spot. I think. Ish.
Oh, is that the sword?
That's the sword.
Oh, nice.
So now we have. Is the sword what lights up? I don't know. Or the base. It's based. I bet it's the base with the
Probably.
helmets.
Yeah, probably.
Lights up. And hold please. I have to put this stuff back. Sorry. And then I think the sword lights up.
I think so too.
Maybe. And we'll find out.
Those 100% look like they light up.
So here's our sword. Our Megazord. Yuck, yuck. All right, I think that is everything. So we are now going to move this out of the way, hopefully.
That is, I'll be honest, the packaging of that was really impressive.
Now we know why it was strapped down.
Yeah.
So we are going to move the base to here.
Man.
Can y'all see the base?
Base.
Can you
Oh,
see
where
the
did it
base,
go?
Tommy? They can come up some.
Yeah, right there. That's good.
Right there? All right.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
So I'm going to follow instructions because
Who follows instructions?
I
anyway?
do. I follow instructions. And I still don't know what's going on. All right, so it looks
You
like
put your left leg in.
it's a right leg.
Oh, sorry. I misunderstood.
Let's see here. Seems wobbly. I don't like the wobbliness.
It's a wobble wobble.
Usually there's a magnetic.
I'm going to
Piece.
guess the weight
I'm
of the
assuming,
rest of it
yep.
will put it in place.
Let's hope so. So now we're going to go with the right leg. Like this one's not going anywhere because it's going down into a chunky hole, maybe. There we go.
Oh, no. Nice.
Oh, you know what? I bet they left this loose because once you put the big thing on it, it may have to shift some.
Oh,
So they
yeah,
gave you
yeah.
the because this is not going anywhere.
It's almost like they knew what they were doing.
Almost. But I can't wait to see Gregory put this on the shelf.
We're going to
So-
need like 3 of us.
Yeah. So no, it's just gonna be Gregory. We're gonna
No, we should wait till Tess gets here.
we're gonna wait and see. Does Gregory get to keep his paycheck this month? All right. So next we have the body.
A great short story by Stephen King.
Yeah. Now it's locked in now.
See?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, because it let it
Yeah.
be loose because this was in. It let it be loose for this to
Make sure it all
fit.
properly. That's nice. Man, the people that design these are like next level.
right. And so now we have this and this, and theoretically, I know I'm not doing this right. Yeah, it is. Look.
Yeah, that looks right.
Wow. That looks actually correct. So now the arm slides in there.
Oh, man.
That's scary. So we got that arm, and then we have another arm pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Gregory and his arm pieces. Luckily, those are magnetic. Are they? Come on. Oh. You have to do it correctly. It has to be done correctly for it to fit.
So weird.
So
I
we
want to
will,
do it incorrectly.
now we're going to hopefully, there we go. Look at that. It has arms, Gregory. And that was step 8. 9. Made it to 9.
How many steps are
I don't know. There's lots of steps. Now we have the horns. Which way? It's like... Once again, you have to do this the correct way. So
Oh,
now
I
we got the
see.
horns.
Oh,
Horns. Horns in, Gregory. Like I can see what some of this stuff is. Like these look identical. Oh, no. See? Square. Square goes in the square hole.
What?
And this has got a little corner cut. So now we'll come over
Crazy.
here. Good thing for magnetics. And the last rubber pieces. Oh, it goes into
Is that
the saber-toothed tiger.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nice.
Wow. We have a sword. And I think this is the
The hilt.
hilt.
Oh, nice.
How much would like just to get an individual sword? 25 cents. I get like 35 on it.
So is that correctly? Let's see. It's got him face it like this.
Okay.
Sure, why not?
And I'll form the head.
And then the last thing is confusion. Hold, please. So this, folks, it is telling me to take this head apart.
Apart?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's telling me to take the head apart because evidently when it powers up, the eyes light up and there's supposed to be something in it. But I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think that's right. See, it says take the head apart.
That seems crazy to me.
I am not taking the head apart because then I'm going to end up with a broken head.
Yeah.
So I will let whoever purchase it, if they want to do this, they can do that. But that is what it's showing. And then it is showing this, the power is in the back. So I guess this is battery powered. It's battery powered, Gregory. Hey, Gregory, will you look up there and see if there's 3 AAA batteries?
Up here?
Yes. It should be to your right, to your right, to your right, right there. Is that AAA?
That's a double A.
Oh, can I have those then? Because that's what I meant. Please give me what I mean and not what I say. Thank you. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. So let's see here. Let's see if anything lights up. I'm going to assume something will light up. Maybe. Let's find out.
Ooh, the base.
Yeah. The base is lighting up.
All right, that's really cool.
Like I said, now it is showing there's something in here. You can hear it.
Yeah.
But
Probably the Rangers.
But I am not. No, it's showing the light and stuff. Like you got to take it out and put it back in. But I am not going to go. I did it anyway.
You did it.
So here we go. So here's the light. Oh, it's got a switch. So you pull it out and you turn it around. And then I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine. Oh, it needs a watch battery.
Oh, I see.
That's why they wanted you to open the head. It needs a watch battery. I don't have a watch battery, so I will not be.
Got it.
Thank God I didn't break it though. So it's just a magnetic head. So it plops on if you have a watch battery, which we're not going to deal with that.
Wow.
So here you go. Final form of the Megazord. So I will turn it slowly around so you can see everything. I'm just going to let that thing just turn around with it. And the helmet's lighting up is actually really cool.
Yeah.
I think Gregory's going to buy this. Right, Gregory? Gregory?
I don't know. I have a psychic feeling that this will end up at your house at some point.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know for sure that helmet represents Ken, so I don't want to get it.
It does. It's the correct Megazord. You're fine, Gregory. It is all the original Rangers. That's why it's the 30th anniversary.
I saw today, Billy's coming back.
I did see that too.
Yeah.
So, yep, I saw he's going to be on the next series, which is on Netflix, I believe.
Yeah.
So. Someone's stealing your car, Gregory. So anyway, so this is the Cami, I'm assuming Cami, 30th anniversary Megazord from Sideshow, but Cami Arts is who produced it. Hey, in France.
So, Francais?
And Hasbro. See, it's Hasbro licensed.
Bro.
So, and it's 30 inches tall, I think, is what we did the conversion on. 76 centimeters high, 30 inches tall.
He's a big boy.
He is a big boy. So, he is very cool. So, anyway, we hope you liked this unboxing. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll try to do more unboxing. We may actually try to box up Tess because we're pretty sure that she can build a small room in these boxes because the box that this came in is larger.
Yeah.
So we may see if Tess is a cat. So anyway, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And have a good one. Bye. Go, Power Rangers.